In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive Smart Docs, 5 minutes. Smart Docs lets you create, manage, and share documents directly from your deals by linking your cloud storage so everything stays organized and tied to the right record. Start by opening your browser and heading to Pipedrive's website. Click Login, then enter your email and password. If your company uses single sign-on, follow the prompt you see. Once you're in, go to Pipeline or Deals so you can view the work you have in progress. Switch to the List view to get a clean, sortable list of your deals. From here, pick a deal you want to work with and open it. Inside the Deal view, look for the Document section. This is where Smart Docs lives. Click it to reveal the document tools tied to this specific deal. If you haven't connected Smart Docs before, you'll see an option to connect your cloud storage. Click Connect Cloud Storage. A window will open asking you to choose your provider and confirm a few options. Select the storage service your team uses, such as a business drive, and make sure you're choosing the location where you want deal documents to live. Next, select the email address associated with that storage account. If you see multiple accounts, choose your work account so permissions match your team's setup. Then click Next to continue. You may be asked to grant permissions, so Pipedrive can create and manage files in your chosen drive. Approve the request to complete the connection. You'll see a confirmation that SmartDocs is now connected. From here on, the Documents tab in this deal will let you create templates, generate proposals or quotes, and store files in your linked cloud, with everything automatically organized under the deal. A few tips to make this smooth. If a window doesn't appear when connecting storage, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow Pipedrive. Make sure you have the right access to the folder you're linking, especially if your organization manages shared drives. If you don't see the Documents tab, your plan or user permissions may need to include Smart Docs, so check with your admin. That's it. You logged in, opened your deals, went into a specific deal, found the Documents section, connected your cloud storage, selected the correct email, click Next, and confirmed the connection. You're now ready to build and send documents straight from your deals, keeping everything organized in one place. Thanks for watching and enjoy streamlining your workflow with Smart Docs.